As the COVID-19 pandemic continues and work and school invade home life, many people believe that they have very little control over how they spend their time. Revenge bedtime procrastination gives people the feeling that they do still have some power. Not getting the 7 to 9 hours of sleep the average adult needs can have a number of adverse health effects. Revenge bedtime procrastination is not a sleep disorder. Therefore, practicing good sleep hygiene and reducing stress should help. Using guided imagery for sleep meditation, focusing your attention on pleasant scenarios can promote a calm state. Also, meditation and image rehearsal therapy can provide better overall dream recall and fewer nightmares by imagining the positive version of the dream before bed. We combine guided imagery and image rehearsal therapy to a new bedtime experience. Sleeping at night can be a rewarding challenge to people who have bedtime procrastination. Sleeping becomes the exploration of imaginary realms. People wake up and rebuild the world in their dream. Dreamcave is a virtual reality application that aims to create an immersive meditation experience. The visual aid of VR can provide an interesting way for people to conduct mindfulness meditation and build a better sleep habits. To create a comfortable environment for users, we recommend users wear the lightest VR headset. Also, voice commands feature was created to achieve a hands-free VR experience. User can navigate the VR headset by voice. Users can use voice input functions to create 3D objects in virtual worlds. For example, when a user recording the dream will create a mural in the cave. In Dreamcave, users have their own cave to record their dreams by crafting dream murals. After crafting dream murals, users can enter the dream world to perform meditation. Users can take a boat ride to find others' dream murals. Starting the dream adventure in a dream cave, and exploring different dream worlds.
Record. Falling into water. Enter. Create dolphin. Review suggestion. Select jellyfish. Ride boat. Go. Turn left. Enter. Leave comment. Snow. Find space. Select moon.